Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a holographic resin rose coaster. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the liquid diamonds for this first layer. You can see it's a really thin viscosity. It's just like water. I mixed in some of this gorgeous magenta sparkle glitter from Laura's Art Corner, and I just put about 1 ounce into this little mixing cup. I get these mixing cups from Let's Resin. I'll link them down below. They're really great for projects like this where you're doing like a detailed pour, because you can really get into those fine details and not make a huge mess. I'm just pouring really slowly into this first layer of basically the rose flower petals, and I'll link this mold below. I got it off Julie Art's website. It's got a really cool holographic effect to it. I did go ahead and mix up my liquid diamonds off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your liquid diamonds, I will link my holographic crystal tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your liquid diamonds in that video. So I just put in about 3 dashes of my glitter, mix that into my clear resin, just filling up this first layer. Super easy to do this. You could use any color of glitter that you want, but I wanted to use this super gorgeous holographic magenta. It's so, so pretty. I was really excited to try this mold because I had never used it before. I'm going to finish up pouring this first layer, let it dry for 24 hours, and here we are the next day. I'm just going in and filling up the mold the rest of the way with some black tinted resin. I used black mica powder, and for this layer I'm using the Let's Resin epoxy, but you could use liquid diamonds as well for this layer if you wanted to too. I just used the Let's Resin because I had some of that mixed up because I was working on a different project. I let that black layer dry for 24 hours, and here we are ready to demold it. Check out how pretty it turned out. I love the liquid diamonds for detailed pours like the rose petals because it has hardly any bubbles, and it gets into those detailed areas of your molds really well, and it's not going to leave you with a bunch of air bubbles in your pieces. So this you could just use as a coaster, but I actually turned this into a sun catcher. I just took my little drill, drilled a hole in the top, a hole in the bottom, attached 2 eye screws and some glass crystal beads, and turned it into a sun catcher. And the sun catchers are for indoor use only. Resin can get bendy if it's left in really high temperatures outside, so I just recommend these for indoor use only. But here's how it turned out all finished up. You can see in the sun it throws a really pretty rainbow rose pattern. I just love, love, love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you give this a try, and I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try, you'll get a little bit of extra savings. And let me know what color I should do next down in the comments. I'm working on a blue one right now, and I'll be sure to upload a short video of that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video that's going to be coming up. And go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.